Addressing Autocar, regularly downplayed AMG big enchilada Tobias Moers said it's sensible to conjecture that the Mercedes AMG Project One would take the outright lap record at the Nürburgring. That implies he's not looking at beating the 6:47.25 lap the Porsche 911 GT2 RS set last September. Nor is he discussing the 6:43.22 lap the McLaren P1X P1LM prototype set in May 2017. Obviously Moers implies beating one of two lap records set 35 years prior, then two by Stefan Bellof in a Rothmans Porsche 956. Amid meeting all requirements for the 1983 Nürburgring 1000 km, Bellof ran the 20.832 km Nordschleife in 6:11.13. In the race that end of the week, Bellof timed a 6:25.91. Moers would disclose whatever else about the Project One ring endeavor. However, Autocar says AMG has examined both of Bellof's lap records in detail, and the greatest test to influencing their fantasy to work out is finding the correct driver. The Porsche 956 and the AMG Project One have a couple of things in like manner. The Project One exists because of Formula One. Porsche utilized a 956 case as testbed for the tag-marked F1 motor that would control McLaren to 3 F1 Drivers' Championships and 2 Constructors' Championships. The 956 and Project One has some expertise in air. The 956 was one of the primary Group C racers to utilize ground impacts air. The considerably sleeker Project One will create air downforce equivalent to a large portion of the auto's body weight. Concerning exchange from dashing to street autos, the 1982 Porsche 956 changed to computerized fuel infusion that utilized less fuel yet kept up pull and expanded torque, and the 1983 Porsche 956 was the main race auto to utilize two-fold grasp transmission. The Project One speaks to the discount exchange of F1 tech to street utilize, where the two vary incredibly are comforts and power. The 956 required the quality of a bear and a considerable measure of fearlessness to drive, and Bellof's 956 made around 630 horsepower in its most capable appearance from a 2.5-liter, twin-turbo V6. Moers said the 1.6-liter V6 half-breed control unit in the Project One is as of now demonstrating 1,000 pull on the dyno, and will most likely come in some place more like 1,100 horsepower when clients take conveyance. That sounds like a lot of capability to lay on the objective, yet there's a reason Bellof's record has remained for so long that some trust it won't ever be broken. The 956 was fast to the point that when Bellof's partner, Derek Bell, ran the training lap with camera hardware for a TV section, Bell completed a 6:47, and got to go by a shouting Jackie X on a qualifying lap in another 956. Nobody's been inside 30 seconds of Bellof's qualifying time since 1983. On the off chance that AMG finds the correct driver and the Project One is the correct auto, said driver won't just cut an excess hunk of time off the closest similar benchmark, that of the McLaren P1 prototype. He, or she, will disgrace everything else out there. In an auto with an airbag, infotainment framework, and a telephone charger. Stay tuned.